friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we will be making a pom-pom puppet. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find some yarn, 2 googly eyes, and a piece of felt. You'll also need some additional items. Scissors and a fork, a dinner fork or larger, a pencil and a marker if you'd like to color your shoes, and glue. I'm using tacky glue, but white glue will be just fine. Even a glue stick could work. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. We'll need 3 things to start: your scissors, the yarn, and your fork. So go ahead and find where the tape is and unwrap your yarn just a little bit and cut off about 12 inches of yarn, about a foot of yarn. Now, use that yarn to go right in between the middle of your fork, the middle tine of your fork. If you want, you can use the tape and secure the yarn on your fork. We're going to need this later. Now, take the end of your yarn and we're going to wrap around the fork, holding this piece here. And what we want to do is stay within this area of the fork. So try not to let it slide down this way or slide off your fork. So we're going to wrap and just wrap again in that middle area of the fork. And be careful not to hit yourself on the tines when you're wrapping. Okay, so save this piece of paper. Now what we're gonna do, I've got a lot of yarn right here. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and take the yarn that we put in the middle of the fork and bring the one that was in the back, bring it forward and through the middle tine. You can take the tape off now. And we're going to tie as tightly as possible. So we're going to make one tie here, right in the middle, and then you may need help with this because this is a critical part of the process and we want it as tight as possible. So, and then you can pull this off of your fork because you can make it even a little bit tighter when it's off the fork. And now have someone hold it or put your finger to make a knot. So you're gonna tie this one more time. And now we need our scissors again. So we're gonna cut these loops on both sides, okay? So just go ahead and with your scissors pull up on the loops and cut. Now this will take a little bit of time because you can't cut too many at once. So whenever we find a loop, we're just gonna cut and try to stay in the middle of the loop. And I'm holding this other side pretty tightly. All right, and I think I have all of the loops on this side. And now I'm gonna turn over and do the same thing on the other side. All right, that looks good to me. And you're going to now go ahead and give this pom-pom a trim if you want. If you think this is the way you want it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. So if you think like this is it for you and this is gonna be your puppet, that's perfectly fine. You can go on to the next step, but I'm gonna give this a little bit of a trim here. And like these puppets. You can trim a lot, you can trim a little, or you can make a different shape. So I am going to go ahead and trim. All right, so I am done trimming. I'm just going to clean up these clippings, and this is where my face is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and take my googly eyes and some glue, put the glue on the back of my googly eyes, and go ahead and glue the eyes on. And while the glue is drying, I'm going to, oops, I missed a spot. There we go. While the glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and make some shoes. So I'm gonna see where the shoes would fit well on my little puppet here. And I'm gonna leave quite a bit to be able to put glue on so that they stay on. So this part, I'm going to either use my pencil or I can just go ahead and cut, but I'm gonna use my pencil to see where I'd like the shoes and how I'd like them. So I'm gonna round the edge here, and I'm gonna get the center. I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this so that they are pretty even, I hope, when I cut them. Okay, so now open up this sticky note here, this piece of paper, because you're gonna need to protect your workspace when you're drawing on your shoes, if you decide to draw on your shoes. I'm gonna take my marker and I'm just going to put some shoelaces on. And I'm going to go ahead and just round these in the back a little bit. And I'm going to put glue on this back part of the shoes and then stick my little puppet right on them. And there you go. There's your little puppet. So just wait for the glue to dry before you start to play with them, okay? Nice job, friends. Remember to clean up. Yes, remember to clean up. Nice job making your pom-pom puppet, friends. I hope you had so much fun doing this craft with me. I hope to see you soon at the library or on our YouTube channel for more DIY events. Please check our calendar for upcoming programming. Have a great day, friends, and thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.